Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese Mini Truck channel. In our video today, we'll be discussing how to go about choosing the right mini truck air filter. Mini trucks from Japan have always impressed many people across the globe. They were first intended to be used in the Japanese market, but with their incredible performance and reliability, many people have seen good use in them. That is why you can find these vehicles anywhere from Africa to Brazil. One thing that one needs to make sure though is that they need to be well maintained all the time. This guarantees good service as you use the vehicle. In this guide, we will go through the process of choosing the right mini truck air filter. This should help you to properly choose an air filter that is up to the task. But first, let us look at the purpose of an air filter. Clean air is necessary in a car engine, just the way clean and polluted air is good for humans. The cleaner the air, the better the performance that you will get. It also avoids the vehicle from getting some parts getting affected. Imagine a scenario where the debris and dirt enters the engine. It wouldn't take long before it becomes a thick muddy situation in there. The purpose of an air filter is to filter the air that enters the engine and ensures that there is nothing entering there other than clean air. Now we move on to choosing the right mini truck air filter. There are lots of air filters in the market that one can choose from. This is the same case for mini trucks. You will often find some mini truck brands having different air filters, while others could be compatible. Here are some of the things that you want to keep in mind when you are choosing a good air filter that will serve you well. Number 1. Know your engine and specification. As aforementioned, engines in different vehicles do vary. And this also means that the components including the air filter will vary from one vehicle to the other. As such, you need to make sure that you know the engine of the vehicle and the specific air filter that it uses. Number 2. Quality matters. You'd want to make sure that the air filter that you're getting is of excellent quality. There are tons of fake ones that sell for that cheap prices, but you should avoid them. This is because they are not designed to deliver good services like the high quality ones. Lastly, you should consider investing in a similar air filter. If possible, it is advisable that one get an oil filter that is similar to the one that was there. If it served you well, then you'd want to make sure that you continue getting the same guaranteed results. To conclude, car air filters are among the most important components in a vehicle, though most people aren't keen on them. Shared in this guide are some of the crucial factors that one needs to keep in mind when they are looking to invest in a good and reliable air filter for their mini truck. Having gone through this, we've come to the end of our video today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.